Quick video this morning. I was in bed last night reading a book. It's a book I've just picked up, Trade Like a Casino, Richard Weissman. He talks about how me or you or us as traders, we can put ourselves in the position of the casino house owners, if you like, with the use of positive expectancy trading models or systems like I use. We can put the odds in our favour. So at the end of the month or at the end of the year, like the casino, you're going to have that edge and you're going to make the money at the end of it. That's what having trading systems is all about. So the message really is, those of you who are perhaps new to the markets, or you've been struggling for a while, you can't quite get to grips with it, you need to... I read something and it really applied to me at the moment, because I'm designing a new strategy at the moment, actually, and before I even thought about what indicators or oscillators or other sort of technical analysis stuff, I like to keep it quite simple anyhow. Before I even looked at what I'm going to use to develop the rules of the strategy, I wrote down what actually I want from the strategy. So how long do I want the trades to last? Ultimately is the first question that I always ask. What markets am I going to trade? What sort of win to loss ratio, winning percentage do I want? Do I want winning trades to be 3 times bigger than the average losing trade, etc.? Before I even think about how I'm going to design this strategy, I wanted to know my objectives. And so what I want to say is, if you've tried different strategies and you've tried different systems, you might have tried some of the systems I've showed you and they're just not working. It's probably not the strategy, it's probably the fact that the strategy doesn't resonate with your own personality. Someone might want to trade trends, and they might want to be taking 15 trades a year, for example. Now, if you picked up my inside day strategy, for example, that I showed you, and you traded 6 FX pairs with it, you're going to be trading well over 200 trades a year. So very quickly you're going to start missing trades, missing days, and they could be the big winners. So suddenly that strategy is not going to be effective for you as that person. It doesn't mean that the strategy is not effective. It doesn't mean you're not effective. It means that you're not compatible. So if you're struggling with different strategies and you can't make them work, you can't find something that really works for you, what I'd suggest you do is take out a pen and paper and write down what sort of time frame you want. How long do you want trades to last? What sort of markets do you want? Do you want to be trading? Do you want to be day trading? Do you want to be trading? Have you got time to sit in front of the screen all day? Or do you want to be trading, looking for trades when the market's shut, like me, at the end of the day? Or do you want to be looking for trades at the end of the week, just at weekends? That's viable. I've got strategies that trade off of weekly charts, and that's how I look for trades for that sort of strategy. So that's the message, really. If you've been struggling, been picking up other people's strategies, my strategies, and they're not quite working for you, then perhaps it is not the strategy, perhaps it is not you, you're just not compatible. So think about exactly what you want before you start trading a strategy. Think about what you want, then look for a strategy that is applicable and compatible to your personality. Alright, it was just something, it was a couple of lines I read last night in the book, and it really made me think, yeah, of course. So that's it today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find out more about my trades, my new system development over at my blog at thetransparenttrader.com. You can contact me, emailing me at jared at thetransparenttrader.com or find me on Facebook. And I'll see you on the next video.